Hey guys, I've got a short and simple tutorial for you today that will show you how to change colors when tying berry knots. Let's get started. For your setup, the length of your cords will vary depending on how many berry knots you are wanting to tie. For this tutorial, I've cut each cord 1 meter in length, folded each in half, and attached each to my dowel using Larks Head knots. I'll tie the first berry knot with natural cord, then I'll incorporate color for the next 2 knots. Using the 6 strands on the left, tie a berry knot. Using the 2 outside cords, tie 6 alternating half square knots or 3 alternating square knots. Leave a bit of room between the Lark's Head knots at the top of your work and your first square knot. Bring the 4 filler cords through the middle of your work at the top. Tie 2 more alternating half square knots or 1 square knot. Cut a piece of colored cord. Bring it behind the 4 cords next to your berry knot and tie 6 half square knots or 3 alternating square knots. Bring the 4 filler cords through the middle of your work at the top. Tie 2 more alternating half square knots or 1 square knot. If you're interested in using the colored cord just for the berry knot, you can cut it off and continue creating your piece, or you can leave the ends and incorporate them into the rest of your work. I'll show you one more time. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be helpful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.